Hey, what's up, guys? How it's going? This is Dr. Crypto. This video would be a quick market update. Before we start, before we get into the video, I would like to show you my Telegram, the update I posted on 23rd of June, where I guided you guys. Well, everyone is eyeing this inverse head and shoulder, considering it a bullish reversal, where I expect a fake out through it, grabbing the liquidity and moving the price towards lower zones. So, guys, this was my update, which I told all of you guys that this is a heads and shoulder, inverse heads and shoulder. Retailers would consider this a bullish reversal, targeting it maybe towards 25 or 26k, but I clearly told you that I'm expecting a fake out through it, grabbing what liquidity, that's in form of inefficiency right here, then moving the price towards lower zones. I clearly told all of you guys this on 23rd of June, and you can see our accuracy, our signals, and this is our Telegram channel. Make sure if you haven't joined us yet, you can join us on Telegram. It's obviously free for all of you guys. So let's jump into the video. Let's start the market update. Yesterday I clearly told you guys that I'm expecting a small bounce in price before moving towards lower zones. So let's start the video with 4-hour BTC USD. So this was the potential bounce which I was talking in my yesterday's market update video. Here was the trend line. I was expecting a small bounce up towards 20,000, in between 20,400 to 20,800, but unfortunately market got a reversal from 20,400 but missed my target by $400. So that does not matter. But what was the core idea? The core idea was that market will move up, it will touch this trend line like here, and then moving the price towards lower zones. That was in the form of inefficiency that I discussed in detail in yesterday's market update video, that when all the moves that we predicted yesterday were corrected, except the one that missed by $400. So that does not matter a lot. So let's start the video. What's happening right now is we can see the formation of Wyckoff accumulation again. What is Wyckoff? If you want to learn this stuff, you can join us on our VIP Discord, where we will teach you guys live about market analysis, and you will also get an opportunity to trade live with us. So what is happening right now? We can see formation of automatic rally, buying climax, ST, the STNB, the spring. So what just happens after the spring? Obviously the break of structure right here with this wick. What happens just after the spring is that we go long after the spring makes a test, then we find potential opportunities to go long. So Wyckoff has basically two schematics. Number one is accumulation and the other is distribution. In between accumulation there is actually a redistribution, which we will discuss with you guys if you join us on our Discord. So that's our secret. So guys, what's happening right now? Here we have a spring, and now here we can have a potential test, after which we can find an opportunity to find longs in the market. So what happens if this spring gets failed? That would be considered as opportunity to short the market till 14k. So remember this zone, guys. This 17,500 is extremely an important support for the market to continue its bullish momentum until 21k, or it may be till 25k. But this zone, is this order block right here, is damn important to be hold. If price fails to hold this order block, the next target would be finding shorts in market. It may be till 14k or whatsoever they are. We will discuss later in our upcoming videos or in our market analysis on our Telegram channel. So guys, we can see an order block right here, which is a potential order block. This is the order block right here. In between this order block is the area of inefficiency right here, which is in form of imbalance. Market came. Okay, most of you guys don't know what is actually imbalance. So imbalance is the wick to wick connection between three candles. This the body of second candle is in between the body of first and third candle. This area is called as area of inefficiency in form of imbalance. So we will discuss about that later, not to be discussed right now. So what's happening right now is price is trying to grab the liquidity lying below this. This was a potential imbalance which market filled, which price filled this by 50%, and now is trying to hold above this. But what can be the potential next move is price will come down towards this order block right here, where which I will discuss in 1 hour analysis later on this video. So price can move down towards this order block right here, which is the 50% based on 1 hour analysis, and it can form a test of bike of accumulation right here. So we may find opportunity to long it till 21,000 or maybe 22,000, depends where will be the high. So that stuff is not to be discussed right now. So guys, this was the update based on 4 hour analysis. So guys, this was the update based on 4 hour analysis. Let's jump onto 1 hour time frame and let's see what's happening here. So currently we are on BTC USD 1 hour chart. Nothing special in this chart except of this order block, which was responsible for this all move up, and now price is again trying to medicate into this order block. The target of this order block is in between 18.5 to 18k. 18.5, this order block will be filled by 50%, and most of the times order block gets filled by 50%, as I discussed yesterday also, and then moving the price in our desired direction. Where would be our target? Our target would be area of inefficiencies based on imbalance concept right here. This is the this would be our first zone. So price can go down, medicating into this order block. This would be the first step, or might completely fill this, then moving up and then filling this area of inefficiency right here. So depends what just happens right here, because we will trade this according to Wyckoff schematics based on accumulation concept. If accumulation gets filled, then we will tell you guys in our next market update video, or we will guide you about this in our Telegram channel. So make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and join us on Telegram if you haven't joined yet. So thank you very much.